The Lord said to Moses, Send men to reconnoiter the land of Canaan, which I am giving the Israelites. You shall send one man from each ancestral tribe, every one a leader among them. So Moses sent them from the wilderness of Paran, at the direction. Suzi, from the tribe of Dan, Amiel, son of Kemali from the tribe of Asher, Setur son of Michael from the tribe of Naphtali, Nobi son of Pophsi from the tribe of Gad, Guel son of Machi. These are the names of the men whom Moses sent to reconnoiter the land. But Hoshea, son of Nun, Moses called Joshua. In sending them to reconnoiter the land of Canaan, Moses said to them, Go up there in the Negev, up into the highlands, and see what kind of land it is and whether the people living there are strong or weak, few or many. Is the country in which they live good or bad? Are the towns in which they dwell open or fortified? Is the soil fertile or barren, wooded or clear? And do your best to get some of the fruit of the land. It was then the season for early grapes. So they went up and reconnoitered the land from the wilderness of Zin as far as where Rehob adjoins Lebo Hamath. Going up by way of the Negeb, they reached Hebron, where Ahiman, Shishai and Talmai, descendants of the Anakim, were. They also reached the Wadi Eshcol, where they cut down a branch with a single cluster of grapes on it, which two of them carried on a pole, as well as some pomegranates and figs of the Lord. All of them were leaders among the Israelites. These were their names: from the tribe of Reuben, Shammua, son of Zakur; from the tribe of Simeon, Shaphat, son of Hori; from the tribe of Judah, Caleb, son of Jephunneh; from the tribe of Issachar, Igal; for the Josephites, from the tribe of Ephraim, Hoshea, son of Nun; from the tribe of Benjamin, Palti, son of Rappu; from the tribe of Zebulun, Gadiel, son of Sori; for the Josephites, from the tribe of Manasseh, Gadi, son of. It was because of the cluster the Israelites cut there that they called the place Wadi Eshcol.